Welcome to Tomplay Learn. In each lesson, you'll choose a piece you love, and by the end, you'll be able to play it confidently using sheet music. Along the way, we'll sprinkle in some piano theory, just enough to help you understand what you're playing and give you the tools you need to enjoy other pieces in our catalog. To enhance your music learning journey, we would also recommend taking lessons with a teacher if possible. Let's choose the piece you'd like to learn in this lesson. You can select a different piece at any time and even learn multiple pieces within the same lesson. Let's start with how to sit at the piano. Sit up straight, positioning yourself at the center of the keyboard with both feet flat on the floor. Relax your shoulders. Feeling at ease? Perfect. Place your hands on the keyboard and adjust your chair so that your arms are parallel to the floor. Now, let's focus on your hand position. Keep your wrists straight and your fingers curved, as if you are holding a small ball in your hand. Relax your hand and wrist, but keep your fingers firm. Ready? Great! Let's learn the first notes on the piano. To play your piece, you need to know the finger numbers. First, we will focus on the right hand, so you can remove your left hand from the piano. 1 is the thumb, 2 the index finger, 3 the middle finger, 4 the ring finger, and 5 the little finger. Find the group of 2 black keys in the center of the piano and place your right hand thumb on the white key to the left of them. Then place your other fingers on the white keys to the right of it. Ready to play your first notes? Remember the notes you learned in the previous section? Now you'll learn how to read them using sheet music. Find the group of 2 black keys in the center of the piano and place your right-hand thumb on the white key to the left of them. This is middle C. Place your other fingers on the white keys to the right of middle C. This is called the C position. The other notes are D, E, F, and G. The notes that you have just learnt look like this when they are written on the staff. Each line in space represents a different note on the piano. Middle C is found underneath the staff and looks like a circle with a line through it. The next note up is D, followed by E on the first line, then F, and finally G on the second line. This curvy symbol is the treble clef and is written in front of notes played by the right hand, which are usually the higher notes on the piano. It is also known as the G clef because it curls around the line that G is written on. Let's play another exercise to see if you can remember the note names. Every great melody starts with rhythm. Rhythm is the pattern of long and short notes in music. There is a consistent beat that flows alongside the rhythm, keeping everything in motion. Just like your heartbeat, it's what brings music to life. To understand different beats, you count them. At the start of a piece, you'll see numbers indicating how to do this. These numbers are called the time signature. Bar lines divide the music into measures, and the time signature tells you how many beats there are in a measure. The most common time signature is 4/4. This means there are 4 beats in a measure, which you can count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These small numbers at the start of each line tell you which measure you're in, providing an easy way to navigate through the piece. Make sense? Let's talk about note lengths. The longer you hold a key down, the longer the note sounds. When reading sheet music, the type of note head tells you how long to play the note for. This white note head is called a whole note and lasts for 4 beats. If there is a stem attached to the note head, it's called a half note and lasts for 2 beats. If the note head is black, this means it's a quarter note, which lasts for just 1 beat. Got it? Let's try some rhythm exercises to practice.